How often do you hear real estate agents say, this house has something for everybody, only to be disappointed on inspection? Well, I promise you, this is the real deal. Welcome to 8 Ralfe Road, Kingswood. Situated on a large 5,600 metre square corner block, this property really has it all. Space isn't a concern in a large, uniquely designed home. The studio is set up as a salon, but could also be perfect for a home office, teenage retreat or even a guest house. Large 8 by 13 metre shed that will suit a mechanic to professional tinkerer. And there's a solar powered bore and rain tank so the dry times won't be a worry. You can enjoy the leafy surrounds year round. There's so much to discover in this amazing home, but you're going to have to come and see it all for yourself. I'm Sam Spokes from... Wait, we can do better. I'm Sam Spokes